beautiful BMW F83 M4 S55 engine in the shop today. Going to be receiving some True Crane Motorsports front mount intakes. Just like the other video guys, we're going to go ahead and remove our front grills. We're going to go ahead and delete our rubber ducts over here, get rid of these stock air boxes, and get the front mounts routed in. These are the intakes right over here that we're going to be installing on the M4. They are the True Crane Motorsport front mount intake kit. Go ahead and show you guys how we get everything installed. As you guys see, no tabs are broken. No tabs are broken. Out, push the just pull it back. In the previous videos, I was stating that we would always get the tube over here to hit the compressor, and the solution is this screwdriver from the inside. You guys can see it. See how I'm just bending that out a little? So that's the solution, and what that's going to do is allow the pipe to slide up a lot more, keeping us away from our compressor. This one is in. I just need to make the adjustment here so you guys can fit in nicely. It's in now. Got it on here. You guys can see how it clears the compressor. This one should be good here. This side is all set. On there first. Yeah, it's on good. Yeah, it's good. Front mounts are installed. It is all ready to go. We'll go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like.